daddy was home when you left.
You're right.
Your sister was home when you left.
You're right.
Your brother was home when you left.
You're right.
The dog was home when you left.
You're right.
The cat was home when you left.
You're right.
The fish was home when you left.
You're right.
Your mommy, your daddy, your brother, your sister, the dog, the cat, the fish was home when you left.
You're right.
And that's the reason you left.
You're right.
I left my home.
I left my home
To join the army.
to join the army.
I left my home.
I left my home
Join the army.
to join the army.
The day I left,
The day I left,
my mama cried.
my mama cried.
She thought that
She thought that
I would surely die.
I would surely die.
I left my wife
I left my wife
hiding at the door.
crying at the door.
She knew that
She knew that
I would die at war.
I would die at war.
I left my son
I left my son
playing in the yard.
playing in the yard.
Sing that leaves,
Sing that
they cry so hard.
they cry so hard.
May sundalong tapat sa bayan, di tatalikuran, huling sinumpaan.
Pagkalit lamang ng kakayapan, kahit buhay namin ang
Kung ang simula ng buhay namin tataguyod, kahit alam naming mahirap, ngunit aming sinusubok. Para sa bayan, kaya kami naglilingkod. Hindi magiging mahirap sa serbisyo, kaya mong sumubok. Nang iwanan ang minamahal para sa inang bayan. Dalangin namin sa may kapal, hindi kami pababayaan.
supuin ng teroristang dayuhan, kahit buhay namin ang kabayan.
I don't want no teenage queen.
I don't want no teenage queen.
I just want my M14.
I just want my M14.
If I die in the combat zone,
If I die in a combat zone,
lock me up and ship me home.
box me up and ship me home.
Hear my medals upon my chest.
Pin my medals upon my chest.
Tell my mom I done my best.
Tell my mom I done.
Sila ngayon ang mga bagong hero, walang iba kundi ang kawal Pilipino. Kahit ulang gagit, baha pati bagyo, nakahanda silang tumulong sa tao. Ang mga sundalo na laging nakadistino sa mga buhok na magugulo, mula Isabela, Lanao, Cotabato hanggang sa may Zamboanga, Basilan at Hulo. Sila'y gumagapang sa gitna ng kadiliman, kagat ng lamok, tinitiis lamang May panayang ambush sa gitna ng daan, at kung mapuruhan ng ulo mo'y pupugutan. O kahirap ang buhay magsundalo, sa digmaan kami madidistino. Kung ikaw ay medyo gwapong-gwapo, maraming chicks ang maghihinayang sa'yo. Ang mga sundalo minsan ay malungkot pag sila'y malayo sa kanilang lugar. At kung magkasakit